The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cowley County, southern Sedgwick County, southwestern Butler County, Sumner County, until 5:30 a.m. At 4:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clearwater, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Winfield, Arkansas City, and Conway Springs. You can expect 90-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. The following impacts are expected. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Wellington, Mauldin, Belle Plaine, Conway Springs, Caldwell, Oxford, Udall, Argonia, South Haven, Atlanta, Gulf Springs, Viola, Rock, Mayfield, Milan, Honeywell, Perth, and Winfield City Lake. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 33.